compare the process for credit repair before and after CFPB lost power. Imagine you're working in a credit reporting agency like Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. You used to work in a debt collection agency and you were working in their compliance department. So you are familiar with everything that has to do with credit, FCRA, FDCPA, Metro 2, factual disputing, the structural issues, the default violations. So I want you to compare and let me know, what do you think?
When CFPB had real power, consumer protection was real. If a credit bureau or collector violated FCRA or FDCPA rules, you could file a CFPB complaint. And that meant something. Companies responded fast. 15-day replies, escalated reviews, even full removals. Before CFPB lost its teeth, it was a different game. We had a referee on the field.
First